My name is Ashley Fouyolle. I am the founder and creative director of a small company named UNWRP. I design my own wrapping paper that cater to the gift receiver. Growing up, my mom took the time out to wrap every single gift. She didn't want to lose that element of surprise, so that was something that I, as an adult, took seriously, and now I want to create those moments as well. So before UNWRP, I worked at a big fashion house in their marketing department, making everyone else look good, but it was time to make myself look good. I started using Adobe well over a decade ago. Throughout the years, my process has truly evolved. As a designer, I started off just using InDesign for everything. Now I have the flexibility of using all the apps for all of their purposes. I'm forever learning new processes and techniques, like being able to add things to the library is super cool. My 3 weapons of choice: InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop. I use Photoshop for photo editing. I use Illustrator for vector goods. I export it as a PDF, and boom, it's off to the printer. We go to the print shop, it's hot off the press, and we have the perfect product. It's been really exciting to watch the growth of the brand throughout the years. I started with a small printer in my bedroom to now collaborating with a large printing facility right here in New York City. Besides my mom being my biggest inspiration, I'm really inspired by New York City. Think about how bright the yellow taxis are, or even the graffitis on the wall. All of that is a source of inspiration that I'm taking photos of everything and throwing them into my artwork. Owning a brand that has a special moment in people's lives, it's something that I remember from my childhood, and it's something that I want to continue doing for the rest of my life.